So let me tell you a tale of sadness, a tale of woe. I was catering for a lot of students for a beautiful creative school that I used to work for, and we were having a great big get-together, lunch get-together, soup and sandwiches, if you will. I was in charge of catering. I made a massive, massive pot of this soup, and I had spent hours, I was there till midnight, getting all these vegetables ready, roasting them off. At the time, I wasn't married to my sweet Richard. He was my boyfriend. So I did all of this food prep at his house, and then I got all the soup together and I made it and I put it in this massive pot, and I went to leave his house to go to my house. And so I just popped it into a washing basket that I had in the back of my car in the boot. And he said to me, "Don't you think you need to secure that pot a little bit better?" And I was like, "No, what are you talking about? It'll be fine." It was midnight, remember? It was also raining. I drove home, I got out, I opened the boot, and like 80% of the soup had tipped out throughout my entire car. It was everywhere. Let me pause the story to tell you, pop your soup pot on the heat and pop your coconut oil to melt down in your soup pot. Anyway, so I ring Richard and I'm crying and I'm like, "It's spilled everywhere." And Richard said, "Can you scrape it back into the pot and still serve it?" So there's a little hint, probably don't eat Richard's food if it's looking questionable.